So here we are. This is our first experience of sailing. Doing the competent crew course here at Ipswich Marine. Never been on a boat before. We shall see how this goes. So we've just arrived at Ipswich Marina.
Yep.
We are going to look at some available berths for next week, which should be quite interesting as we don't know what we're doing. But we will give it a whirl and hopefully they'll be very helpful. Looks like a lovely place though. We shall see. So what are we looking for in the mooring?
An open berth.
An open berth? Why are we looking for an open berth?
Because it might be a little bit easier to have the boats open.
So we have now arrived at Fox's, having think we sorted our berth out, although they weren't quite sure which one they're going to end up putting us in.
We need some life jackets.
We need some life jackets.
Some wet weather gear.
Wet weather gear.
Things.
And the Holmes Marina. Fox. So yes, we will see how that goes. Spending some more money, aren't we?
Yeah.
And we've just had news from the surveyor that they'll be doing it on Monday. So we might have a boat next week, which is quite exciting. What's going on here?
It's going to be layered up anyway, isn't it?
So what do they say BO.AT stands for? Bring out another 1,000. Because we've just spent our first 1,000. Life jackets, wet
Thermal.
weather gear, thermal.
To keep warm.
£17 on thermal socks as well to keep warm. Hey,
Yeah.
super. So roll on Monday.
We've got a kettle.
We've got a kettle
And we've
as
got
well.
our flag.
We've got the flag, the ensign, that will hopefully fit the thing. Held back on the clock and other stuff, but I'm sure we'll be seeing the chandlery anytime
We've now
soon.
got our membership in the shop,
Yes.
so they'll keep a tab on everything we've brought.
They will. Excellent. All right. Good day. We've just arrived at Burnham Yacht Harbour to get the boat surveyed. Fingers crossed she passes. Is she going to pass?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you certain? I think she's going to pass. It's going to be great. Can I have some of the brolly?
I'm going to go up like Mary Poppins.
Come look over my shoulder, you'll see.
Oh Christ, yeah.
Look, see it moving?
Yeah.
That's just anode. You're not looking at that. You're looking at this movement here.
So we're currently just waiting in the rain. Well, we're not. We're inside the truck.
In a warm truck.
In a warm truck. So it's not that bad. The boat is still on the slings. There was an issue with the prop, which has been fixed. The owner we're buying this off, we think, is the best person to ever buy a boat off. He's running rings around trying to sort everything out, and there's some other thing wrong with the fairing piece of rubber that covers the sail drive thing. You see, we're pretty technical on boats, so he's run off to get a sealant to sort that out, and then hopefully we can get it back in before the yard people start pestering us again to drop it back in. Or the wind gets too strong. I mean, there's some serious wind around here, and if you can see the flag not moving at all. But if we don't get it in soon, then
it's going to be trouble with the wind.
Serious trouble with the wind. So
then she'll have to stay there forever.
Then she'll probably just stay there forever in the slings. So that's that. We've not heard anything else. Apparently she's in super shape. Apart from that, she's one of the best examples.
Yeah, in her 40s.
Of a moody 30. In her late 40s, no, early 40s.
She's early
isn't
40s.
she?
Yeah.
She's just turned 40. So yeah, boat life. So if you think we're looking a little bit smug.
Is smug the word?
Well, we're tired because we're moving this lot.
Yeah.
But if we are looking smug, it's probably because we're boat owners now. And we just picked the keys up. And there she is. You know, babe?
Should we go on board first?
I think we should probably go on
put
board,
all this
shouldn't
stuff on there.
So yes, and then we've got to just decide to figure out where on earth we get 2 trolleys worth of stuff. Right, let's do this. Where are the lights?
Draw your curtains, babe. You're right, babe.
So unfortunately, we didn't do a great deal of filming on our first sail, and that was down to the fact that the original owner, who I think is the greatest person to ever buy a boat off, was actually with us and helped to sail it back to its home port where we'll be keeping it. We need to get better at filming, quite evidently, and we shall try and work on that for sure. But it was a fantastic sail, wind was quite easy, and yes, we absolutely love the boat. So hopefully we shall be getting some more footage soon of our first sail alone, and we'll be posting that on the next video. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe, like, share, all of that YouTube jazz, and thanks again. We'll see you next time.